Matt Scott with Zenitel here. I'm on the road working on my demo kit. Currently, I have a VR 3G -1 Zenitel Connect Pro system here, a ITS V5, a TCI S3, and a TCI V3 Plus system. I'm going to add a station, getting ready for an appointment tomorrow. So I'm going to add the ZSD-1. This is our morning mount station, has a built-in relay, great for all applications where you have a small footprint that you need to put an intercom on. Has an HD video on it too. So let's get to programming. So when you go into our programming, I want to show you how easy it is to program this with Zenitel Connect Pro. First thing is that my station's set for DHCP, it's defaulted, so it hasn't been on this system before. So we're going to go out and search for this device. You can see it goes out, it scans the devices, looking for new devices. See, it automatically finds our device. Now I have to assign it a number. 504 is the next one I have assigned here. I'm going to give it a name. We're going to call it front door. Helps if you spell front correctly. Hit save. See, now we see it down here, 504 front door. And now I want to go into this unit. I want to program the relay. So when we call the station, I want to release the front door. Go in, I want to release the relay off this device. If we had a network relay, we'd be able to pull that here. Save that. Next thing I want to do is program where I want this to call. So I'm going to have this call my ITSV master station, which I have named security on here. That is station 500. So I'm going to put in 500. Tab. Hit save. Programming sent. So now I got the station right here. You can see it gives you a visual indicator on here that the station is active. When you hit the button, it changes colors. Now it has a moving color on it. I'm going to answer this off my master station. So now it's green, it means the call is live. You can see it back here on the video master station too. And now when I hit the door release, now it goes to a darker shade green. It's going to hold for 3 seconds and then click back to active call use. Then when I hang up, it'll go back to the white standby. That quickly, you can program a new station on Zenitel Connect Pro. So thank you for taking a minute with me, and any questions, please reach out to your local Zenitel regional. Thank you.